When Billy needs something. When I need a pet, I go to Peter's pet shop. Cat, dog, bird, pig, monkey, dog, rabbit. When I need a toy, I go to Tom's toy shop. Doll, robot, train, kite, car, yo-yo, ball. When I need clothes, I go to Clara's clothes shop. Red skirt, white shirt, blue pants, pink hat, orange shoes, green sweater, yellow dress. When I need cookies, I go to Cookie's cookie shop. Circles, square, heart, star, diamond, triangle, rectangles. When when I need a food, I go to Frank's supermarket. Apple, banana, milk, cheese, bread, fish, potato. When I need when I need a doctor, I go to Doctor Dolittle Face. Eye, nose, ear, mouth, hand, leg, foot. When when I need a friend, I go to my neighbors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.